Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials so nothing blocks recording. First, check your OS and free disk space because low storage stalls captures, update drivers, and the recorder app. Next, grant screen, microphone, and camera permissions. Without them, you won't get audio or video. Once done, quit other apps that might grab the display or audio. This reduces conflicts and CPU load. Make sure background recording services are enabled and restart the recorder to apply changes before continuing. Now you configure the recorder for reliable output. Pick resolution and frame rate. For tutorials, 30 FPS is fine. For gameplay, try 60 FPS and set bitrate to avoid dropped frames. Then choose encoder. Hardware encoding uses GPU for performance, while software encoding is more consistent on older machines. After that, map audio sources and set sample rate so voice and system sound match. Test a brief recording to confirm sync. If frames stutter, enable VSync or tweak frame. Finish by running a concise test recording and inspecting the file. Look for audio dropouts, dysync, or corrupted frames. If you see problems, clear the app cache and temporary files, then update or reinstall the recorder and GPU drivers, because outdated drivers often cause capture failures. If that fails, switch encoders or lower bitrate to reduce strain. Finally, check the recorder's log files for error messages and perform a minimal system test with only the recorder running to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.